Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add fields to the left list in Sage X3. We recently had a client requirement. They wanted to filter purchase orders by supplier name. By default, the standard purchase order function doesn't include the supplier name. Typically, for our operational buyers, remembering system-generated supplier codes can be quite difficult. So, adding the supplier name will greatly assist them in filtering all their purchase orders using the actual supplier name. Let's now see how we can add the supplier name to the purchase order function's left list. Now let's examine the standard purchase order function. We'll navigate to the purchasing module, then orders, and select full entry. As you can see, this section here is what we call the left list. Within this left list, we have several fields: date, order number, order site, supplier code, and internal reference. Noticeably, the supplier name is missing. We are now going to add the supplier name here, which will allow us to easily filter our purchase orders using the supplier name instead of the supplier code. To add the supplier name, let's go to Development, then Objects. On the left side, filter the object code by typing POH for purchase order header, and press Enter. Here we can see that POH refers to orders. Select POH and we can directly navigate to the Section tab. Here, you'll see some left list fields that are already enabled by default. This is where we can add the supplier name. To add the supplier name, simply click here to insert a new field. We are going to add the supplier name right next to the supplier number. There's a selection magnifier available. Click on this selection magnifier. Here we can search by name. As you can see, BPR name stands for company name. Company name is essentially the supplier name, so I'm just selecting BPR name. We can change this description. Here I'm going to change the description from company name to supplier name. Then we'll save and validate. Validation is a mandatory step to ensure these changes are reflected in the purchase order function's left list. Now, it will validate all the entry transaction windows. Close the page. Let's now go back to purchase orders. Through the purchasing module, orders, open the entry screen. Now, you'll notice that right next to the supplier code we have the supplier name. From here we can now easily filter suppliers. For example, if we type Apple, here we can see that all Apple Savire related purchase orders are now filtered. Once we remove the filter from the supplier name field, it will automatically display all suppliers. Close the page. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more Sage X3 insights. Thank you.